Behind me is the Devil's Coach Road. It's a gully in Sleafbeg in the Mourne Mountains. It starts wide, it's gravelly and slippy underfoot, and it gets narrower and narrower and narrower until a pinch right at the very top, and you have to like properly climb and scramble. It's not entirely safe. I definitely don't recommend you attempt it on your own, like I'm doing. Definitely not the first time you do it. But today, you're going to climb with me in real time to the top. Let's go. You can immediately see just how slippery this is. I have to be extra careful because I'm mostly holding the camera with one hand. But I am committed to the fact that if I slip, I will drop the camera, it'll smash, but yeah, better having both my hands to catch myself. Oh, don't look down. Shooting this video on the Insta360 1RS. It's a modular action camera that you can use as a 360 camera, and you can also swap it out and use it like a GoPro as well. And I keep stopping to talk about it because I'm nearly out of breath already. Here you go. Oh, it's getting windy. Where'd the wind come from? That's ominous. It's immediately cold now that I'm in the shadow. Three points of contact. If you are climbing this with other people, it's a good idea to spread out. Don't climb up directly behind each other because somebody will loose a particularly large boulder, and if it heads down, it's going to take out whoever's behind you. I think I'm going to go over there. Looks less gravelly. Yeah, it is. I'm 6 miles into about a 10-mile mountain run, so my legs are already tired. This is where it starts to narrow. Oh, it's really weird when you stand here and you just look up. The way the sides go up, they're not actually vertical, they tilt down the way, as if the entire gully is like slowly tipping itself to fall down into the valley. It's quite disorientating, and it's almost this optical illusion that makes you feel like everything's... Ugh. I'm just going to not look up. Here we go. We're not too far from the top now, but this is where it gets tricky. Do you see that? Look at that. Okay, don't hold that. Find something solid and go. Okay. Just gonna take my time. Make sure whatever I'm putting my hand on is not gonna move. I'm leaning forward as much as I can, so if I do slip, I'll land on my face and my nose will immediately snag a rock and slow me down. Yeah, you definitely don't want to be leaning backwards, get up here. A safe bet is to go up here with somebody who really knows what they're doing. You can check out Mourne Mountain Adventures, Robbie Marsh. I think he does hikes up here. It's a good idea to go up with somebody qualified. Alright, here we are. The last bit. How long have we been so far? 5 minutes. This is the trickiest bit. It's going to be tricky to do with one hand. It gets so narrow up here that you kind of have to like chimney yourself up. Okay, let's go. Don't fall down the Devil's Coach Road, 'cause that would end badly for me. You can find like little handholds in the side here. Grip on. And then the other side you can... Oh! I'm gonna hit the lens off the rock. Off it there. Set the camera. Anyway. Oh, okay. That is the worst bit. By far. And that is the Devil's Coach Road in 360 in real time. Don't recommend doing it because you've only got one hand, and that bit there is pretty scary, but made it up in one piece. Woo! Oh, I need to have a sit down. Let's go have a look over here. Really hope my mum doesn't watch this. Oh, and from here you can look straight down. Right, I'm done. It's so much scarier once you're up at the top. I'm gonna go finish my run. If you enjoyed that, or if it terrified you, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I make videos about running and action cameras and outdoors and stuff. I'm exhausted. I'll be catching the trails. Bye bye.